Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your document and selecting the target. Use the Pick tool to click the object. For bitmaps, convert to bitmap so transparency works predictably. Once selected, you'll want to understand why. Corel treats vectors and bitmaps differently, so converting avoids unexpected results. Make sure to note the background color you intend to make transparent before proceeding, because the next steps target that exact color. This saves time and prevents color spill. Now access the Transparency tool or the Transparency Docker and choose a method. If you need a single color removed, pick Uniform Transparency and click the color to sample it. This tells Corel which color to treat as transparent. For more complex edges, use the eraser or a mask and increase feathering to soften edges. As you adjust tolerance, you control how close a color match must be to become transparent. Lower tolerance preserves similar hues. Higher tolerance removes a broader range. Finish by exporting to a format that supports transparency, typically PNG with alpha enabled. GIF works for limited palettes. Before export, view at 100% and clean any artifacts with the eraser or the shape tool. This ensures crisp edges. If you see haloing or leftover pixels, resample the transparency color with a smaller tolerance or create a manual mask for precise control. If things still go wrong, revert and work on a duplicate layer so you can iterate without losing the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.